welcome to my channel Talk Talk, all about story that is anything story could be on stock. Okay, this time we are talking about popular literature genre that is amazing in 2014. And popular literature actually refers to writings that are created for mass appeal, often prioritize of entertainment. So it encompasses both fiction and non-fiction. The character of popular literature, it includes various genres such as romance, mystery, science fiction, non-fiction articles, and frequently adapt into other media such as films and television shows, and often inspire imitative works. And we can also example of popular literature like magazine and journal. There is example from magazine and journal like Psychology Today are considered popular literature as they cover current events in real day in time of interest to the public. And two, like popular literature can sample from that best-selling novel, like fictional works that achieve high sales, like J.K. Rowling on Harry Potter, that is novel, and then online content became popular literature too, like blogs, articles, and social media, to the film or like personal stories. So in this popular literature genre, I have forgot to introduce myself. So my name is Firman in this Talk video, and in this time I could pick up about the story from Deadpool and Wolverine that is so amazing in this 2014.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because its appeal often prioritizing entertainment, and it incubates back about fiction, mystery, about science like a TVA, and this seeking a normal life is pulled back into chaos when the time is when we are young, we still about lack of
Artlist.io
chit chat and thought. So it is Deadpool seeking normal life. The film blends humor, action, and emotional deep, exploring themes of friendship, hero like this another Marvel,
music licensing
and the consequence
reimagined
of loss, like his loss of friend, of family, is nonetheless. And the plot from Deadpool is the name Wade Wilson and the Logan. He is a Wolverine. Wade Wilson as a Deadpool and Logan as a Wolverine, having left behind his Deadpool persona because tries to live and imagine life as used car. Like in the scene, the Deadpool we can see about sales, but TVA called him like in time to approach him with the die warning.
music licensing reimagined
Description about the TVA world. So the TVA called him back to the Marvel to get the who is this Wolverine, and the call to action in the TVA reveals the death of Wolverine. So because the Wolverine dead, the Deadpool serve as the anchor being. You know, the anchor being like you as your family anchor being. For Deadpool's timeline has to establish it. So Deadpool and Wolverine in the end of what about in the end of film, it's like
Artlist.io.
the anchor being two of us. To save his universe, Deadpool must find an alternate version of Wolverine. So he's find another Wolverine to alternate version to save his universe.
Music licensing
this-
reimagined.
Process on journey recruiting Wolverine, Deadpool embarked on a comedic and chaotic in alternate version, another of version Wolverine again and again. So the sutradara embarked on a comedy, encountering various version of Wolverine before
Artlist.io.
finally recruit one to help him confront to the existential threat by TVA, a villain named Cassandra Nova. Cassandra Nova in
Music
Doctor
licensing
Strange. You can
reimagined.
see Cassandra Nova in Doctor Strange. And in the battle, Cassandra Nova is navigate a series of challenges. Her army of Deadpool variants, ultimately leading a climatic shadow in after he's got the bump in the TVA soldier
Artlist.io.
weapon. And throughout their adventure, Deadpool learned valuable lessons about heroism and importance of friendship. It's heartfelt resolution that allow both characters
Music
to grow up.
licensing reimagined.
This film combines action-packed sequence with the signature humor of comedy and hilarious of the Deadpool franchise, while also providing a deeper exploration of characters' emotional journey. So after I talk about the synopsis film from the Deadpool movie, I
Artlist.io.
can tell you about how many literary elements found in the movie. In this movie is rich many elements that contribute to its unique storytelling style and overall impact that break fourth wall.
Music
They
licensing
are
reimagined.
irony, metafiction, and characterization. What kind of irony? In this definition, irony involves a contrast between expectation and reality, often highlight the absurdity of a situation. So it is out of the box. And in the Deadpool is mercenary with
Artlist.io.
primal motivated by revenge and personal gain. So this is unique, his real irrelevant attitude and willingness to break the fourth wall that I said that is create a humorous contrast to the serious
Music
nature of
licensing
typical
reimagined.
superhero narrative. Additionally, Deadpool's healing factor, which is usually seen as a gift, becomes a source of irony when it leads to his disfigurement and emotional struggle. But this irony for Deadpool is not to be tried in
Artlist.io.
at home. And two, this is kind of metafiction. So metafiction is a form of writing that subconsciously addresses the divide of fiction, often blurring the boundaries between
Music licensing
fiction and
reimagined.
reality. So this is the difference between fiction and reality. So Deadpool frequently breaks the fourth wall, direct addressing the audience and commenting on the films that plot in the scenes on the sequel of time It is like in stopwatch, and the time is stop, and the Deadpool like
Artlist.io.
chat talk with the audience. This is the film plot's character and even the superhero genre itself. And this self-awareness too in the Deadpools allow the character to critique and parody the convention of superhero
Artlist.io.
films, making the audience acutely aware that they are watching a fictional narrative. For example, Deadpool references other films, acknowledge the presence of the audience, and even comments on the budget constraint of the movie. All
Music
of which
licensing
enhance the
reimagined.
comedy. So the sutradara have many other brainstorming from putting the comedy and satirical tone of the film from the comments or the audience or the issue in the like social media
Artlist.io.
that is putting in the comedy and satirical tone. And the three is kind of characterization. Characterization is the process by which the author reveals the personality and traits of character.
Music licensing
So
reimagined.
this is the direct characterization and develop the Deadpool between Wade Wilson, his witty dialogue, self-deprecating, and the actor as a personal person, and the emotional vulnerability reveal his multi-faced personality. It is the contrast between his comedic exterior and the deeper emotional struggles
Artlist.io.
he faced, such as his battle with cancer in his head as a botak, such as his battle with cancer and his desire for acceptance as deep to his character.
Music licensing
The
reimagined.
relationship he forms, particularly with Vanessa as girlfriend, and his interaction with other characters in the X-Men further illustrate his complex unique and growth throughout the film in the X-Men film and the Marvel Studios film.
Artlist.io.
Next is cultural element in the movie. And what is cultural
Artlist.io.
element? So cultural element refer to the various components that make up culture, including belief, practice, values, customs, language, and artifact. These elements play a crucial role in defining a group
Music
identity
licensing
and
reimagined.
are pivotal in understanding how cultures interact with and spread and influence one another over time. So cultural elements in the movies, these literary elements work together to create a film that is not only entertaining but also thought-provoking, allow
Artlist.io.
Deadpool to stand out in the superhero genre. So Deadpool's connection to Wolverine, particularly in context of their shared universe in the X-Men franchise with the TVA, incorporate Marvel Studios element,
Music
incorporate
licensing
various
reimagined.
cultural elements that reflect societal attitudes, humor, and themes relevant to contemporary audience. Here are some cultural elements found in Deadpool and its interaction with Wolverine, that is pop culture. This film and the two is subversion and
Artlist.io.
in this cultural element. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element culture in this film. 1 is pop culture reference, 2 is subversion of superhero tropes, and 3
Music
sense
licensing
of identity and
reimagined.
acceptance. 4 is dark humor and satire from the characterization, and 5 is friendship and loyalty, and 6 is violence and consequences. So I want to introduce about pop culture reference 1. The film pop culture references is about the film is rich with reference
Artlist.io.
to popular culture, including movies, television shows, and comic books. We can break down the what about pop culture reference. Pop culture reference in this is like including movies in the what about in the play, the technology
Artlist.io.
in the movies is so beyond limit, like the CGI and the costume of the character and the acceptance of comic books. And
Music
2 is
licensing
subversion
reimagined.
of superhero tropes. The film challenge and subverts traditional superhero narrative and archetypes. This is about traditional superhero. And 3 themes of identity and acceptance, about that pop culture is about the exploration of personal
Artlist.io.
identity and the quest for acceptance are central themes in the film. So in this, Deadpool is about acceptance because it is the art of the film, and the genre is different, like all the
Music
another film
licensing
Marvel Studios.
reimagined.
And 4 we have dark humor and satire, that is the entertain the sutradara, because the use of dark humor and satire address serious topics and in comedy way and get another impact from audience, that is so brainstorming. And 5 it is friendship and loyalty, like superheroes schedule.
Artlist.io.
The importance of friendship and loyalty is recurring the theme in the film of superheroes. And 6 is violence and consequences. The film's portrayal in violence and its consequences
Music
is both
licensing reimagined.
exaggerated and reflective of societal attitudes towards action and heroism. So these cultural elements contribute the film's appeal and relevance, allowing Deadpool to resonate with a diverse audience while providing commentary on contemporary societal issues and attitudes.
Artlist.io.
So, contemporary art is about acceptance, about the film in modern culture. In conclusion, Deadpool stands out as a groundbreaking entry in the superhero.
Artlist.io.
Deadpool and Wolverine, I mean. That is effective blending them, humor, emotional depth, and societal reality through its unique narrative and direct style characterized by
Music
self-referential
licensing
humor.
reimagined.
And the humor is so casual, like another reality in modern life, and the subversion of traditional superhero tropes. The film challenges audience expectation and offer a fresh perspective on the anti-hero archetype. And this
Artlist.io
reflect the use of irony and metafiction not only enhance the comedic, but also invites views, and again it's about entertain to engage critically with
Music
the
licensing
convention of
reimagined.
superhero storytelling. Deadpool's journey of self-acceptance and his relationship with other characters, particularly his friends and his friends. I'm sorry about Vanessa. It is underscores the film's exploration about love because this is so low about love,
Artlist.io
so short about Vanessa in this series, Deadpool and Wolverine. It is just about the human experience, making it relatable to wide audience.
Music licensing
And then
reimagined.
culturally, Deadpool reflects contemporary societal attitudes towards beauty, morality, humor, and complexity, a personal relationship in adult, and so many relation can willing them. Its dark humor and willingness to tackle
Artlist.io
serious themes resonate with viewers, allowing for a nuanced discussion about the nature of heroism and the consequences of violence. Ultimately, Deadpool is more than just a superhero film. It is a contemporary art film on the genre itself
Artlist.io
in Marvel Studio, and a celebration of individuality. Its success has paved the way for more diverse storytelling within the superhero landscape. So the sutradara and director is so
Music licensing
amazing,
reimagined.
proving that audience are ready for a complex character who defy conventional norm. As a result, Deadpool has not only entertained but also redefined what it means to be a hero in modern cinema. Before I close this, Deadpool is contemporary film that is also it means a be hero in modern cinema that reflect the societal reality expectation, and that is proving that audience ready for complex character in Marvel Studios about the genre and storytelling about TVA. Thank you. Bye.